So we just got shuttled out to what I believe is called the Chickens Islands, or Chicken Islands, I don't even know, but it's really pretty, as you can see behind me, and now I just gotta find somewhere to put my tent.
The aim is to get nice and central on the board to stay standing. If you land on the board and you're not central, you'll go in the water. But if you get as far as the middle of the board, then you're far enough away from the rock. Yeah, ready for you.
Okay, so it's 9:30. I'm out on the water on Georgian Bay. I think we're actually in some other bay. I don't even know what bay we're in, to be honest. It's not the chickens though. But I'm out on the water. I just came out here for sunset, and yeah, the bugs just came out and they're not nice. So I'm just heading back to the campsite to get my bug jacket and then get ready to take some pictures of the stars tonight. It's 8 o'clock. They're up already. I don't know how they're not tired. Like, doing so much and then waking up so early. I don't know. Didn't end up going out last night. My alarm went off. Thought about it, but I was too tired, so try again tonight. So it's, I don't even know, 9? It is so hot already. So I can just imagine it's gonna be so hot today. So I'm all shiny and sunscreened because last time I came out here I completely burned. I think I'm gonna go for a paddle today. I think everybody's gonna go for a paddle, but I'm gonna go see if I can find somewhere nicer to swim because I'm very picky about my water and this is kind of making me nervous. But yeah, it's super nice out here. I can't wait to explore and hang for the day. Okay, so we just paddled to this random island, sort of ish near our site, not really, for the day. It's really nice here. So I figured it out, we're actually camping in West Desjardins Bay. And then yeah, just puddle mucking around here. I've been on the paddleboard all morning, so my arm is killing me. But gonna relax in the sun now and go for a swim, you know, play with the drone. Yeah.
So, going to take on the 360 challenge. The aim is to have the nose of the paddleboard at least a water bottle's height off the water and spin it round at least 10 full revolutions. What do you reckon? Doable?
Maybe.
Whatever.
We're just leaving the island now. It was super slippery getting in, as you can see there. Trying to. But yeah, I don't know, it was really hot out here and nice to enjoy and relax and go for a swim, and flew the drone quite a bit, so that was really cool. Yeah, now we're paddling back to, I guess, just hang out. So yeah. I got a few others, like the Milky Way, like that one. There's been a lot of shooting stars too. These ones are kind of crappy, very crappy. There's the Milky Way, different angles. But go to bed now. And I'm super excited too. I think I got a lot of really cool shots. Super excited to put them in the computer tomorrow. See how they turned out. Breakfast, I've got some trail mix and banana chips. Just did a final check of everything on the site, and I think we're ready to go.